Let's do a small activity, okay? When I say 1, 2, 3, we take a right hand for the right reason. And we do a rainbow wave साथ में, okay? Simple? Can we do it? Yes? 1, 2, 3. Hi. Hi. Nice. Now all of us are gay. This is amazing, okay? Yeah, we just signed a waiver with the Supreme Court. That's how it works. Look at their faces. They're like, what? Me? No. ऐसे होता है क्या? ऐसे नहीं होता है. Don't worry. The best part is remaining. My name is Naveen Narona. I'm actually homosexual, not by choice but by circumstance, sir. Because I grew up in Bombay, so local trains happened. Fast and slow. Have you traveled by local trains? Obviously, मतलब क्या? You have an option of not doing it, you know that, right? Like it's like क्या दुनिया में loneliness feel हो रहा है मैं जा रहा हूँ train के अंदर. It's not the situation. I think a lot of people in Bombay learn sex because of local trains, you know? Like maybe I learned some pelvic thrust today. Who taught you? Raju from Mira Road, you know what I'm saying? It's been a while. I've come out of the closet 5 years ago. People don't believe me. They're like, you dress like a lesbian, Naveen. How can you be gay? Sorry about that part, you know. But how do I prove I'm gay, dude? Like, how do I? Like, should I ride a unicorn everywhere I went? Shoot rainbows out of my ass? How do... It's a party popper every time. Like, what the fuck? Should I do a Z-snap every time I speak? I know I'm sassy. But I can't just do it everywhere, you know. I can't go to shop randomly and go, भैया, दूध देना. भैंस कहाँ? जल्दी. Never happens. But last year something happened that changed a lot of perspectives in India. Section 377 was passed, right? Everybody know about the law? Yeah? What is the law, ma'am? So very confidently said yes because everybody's saying yes, no? It's different from 370, okay? 377 is the gay one, 370 is the Kashmir one, okay? One guy's like, why do gay people want Kashmir? I'm like, we don't want Kashmir, no. हमारी वादियाँ अलग है, you know what I'm saying? Like, ये हंसी वादियाँ ये Go home with that image in your head now. So earlier Supreme Court said you could not put your penis anywhere else but a vagina, okay? That's the law. But now they're like, put it anywhere you want, okay? So mouth, bum, power socket, go for it. The world is your oyster. Don't actually put it in a power socket, sir. I'm just like, it's a joke, okay? Lunch छोड़ के बाकी सब खड़ा हो जाएगा. You know what I'm saying? Just So yeah, 377 happened. A lot of people who are gay like me came out of our closets. We like, this is our life. A lot of homophobes also came out of their closet. They're like, हमें भी FOMO हो रहा था अंदर. हम लोग को बात करना है. Okay, so one guy on Times of India's website, okay, first day of the verdict, says this on a comment. Like, I am a straight man. Of course, यहाँ पे भी आ गए. And as a straight man, I am scared to go out at night alone now. What if a gay man molests me? And I was like, oh. बुला लगा बच्चे को. तेरी नजर उतारू भोसड़ी के इधर आ. Ladies have had to watch their backs everywhere they go in this country, okay? Now you have to watch your backs, straight boys, because I'm certainly watching your backs. I'm like, chalo आगे. Chalo. Payback time, bitches. You have to pay up now. People are like, what if 4 men are standing in a circle and they want to molest me? I'm like, if you are in a, if gay people are in a circle, it's because you call us different names. You call us, you know, feminine names. So either call us baila or rapist. You can't call us both things, right? You have to choose. And then this guy's username on the website was JudBoyRock6969. JudBoy Rocks 69, 3 exes also, of course. I'm like, Jack boy, the law was never the problem. It's your mentality. Gutter se bahar nikal, sab theek ho jayega. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. People have been saying the stupidest things, okay? Like the Catholic Church. Ooh. It's my church. Not my church, it's Pope's church. I just go over there, bend over backwards sometimes. You know what I'm saying? For confession, you guys. The Catholic Church released a statement which says, while we're okay with the Supreme Court's judgment, we are afraid that this will lead to pedophilia. अभी क्या है ना, बाइबल में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स है, आयरनी नहीं है. You know what I'm saying? The Catholic Church is suddenly concerned about the kids, you guys. दिल सारे बच्चे ये लोग यूज करेंगे, हमारा गुजारा कैसे होगा यार? हम लोग को रिपोर्ट भेजना है कि नहीं वैटिकन में? Are we right, Muslim brothers? And they're like, of course we. Because the very next day, the National Body of Islam released the same statement, but in Urdu, of course. Overnight homework copy करके लिखे हैं वो लोग. ये लोग सीधा लिखे हैं, उल्टा लिखे हैं और बाद में पेश कर दिया लोगों को. It's okay. But I understand why people who are religious can be a little daft. But you know, my best friend of 8 years sent me a WhatsApp forward. You must have seen this, which went around. Now the sale of Vaseline sales will go up, right? Ha! There's a lot of familiarity between engineering kids right now. They're like, ha, yeah. You're a couple? Yes. Do you use Vaseline, sir? You do? You do? For your lips? Nah, that's okay. Upper lips ke liye Vaseline, niche ke liye nahi. You know what I'm saying? It's making sure people are using the right things. Indian men are cheap, I'm going to tell you right now, okay? People are using anything. Malad ke aage log thuk laga rahe abhi tak. You know what I'm saying? When I was 20, this one guy used Johnson baby lotion on me. Johnson fucking baby lotion as lubricant, dude. My bum was hurting for 2 months. But soft as a baby skin. Like googly woogly wash on my asshole. Too good. At least it was not Jandu Bam, okay? I'm just like, I'm counting my stars. Also, this guy who thinks Vaseline sales will go up is assuming that all this while, for hundreds of years, none of us had sex. We were like hiding in a closet, care apne ko permission nahi diya Supreme Court uncle ne. Shh. Yeah, lol. Huh. And then the judgment was passed and we ran to all the medical shops ki सारा दे दो, 4 साल का दे दो, चाहिए अभी. कल वापस ले लेंगे पता नहीं. We have to fuck right now. रास्ते पे ही करेंगे हम लोग. Stupid, dude. Everything is boiled down to sex, right? So when I was traveling around India last year, I spoke to a lot of people who are common janta about gay rights, right? And a lot of people are very amazing, you know. Common people are sometimes so supportive. Like I was in a rickshaw with a rickshaw guy. Not romantically, I was I was behind him, okay? Guys, there was a barricade between us, okay? And this was in Bangalore, and I'm like, Bangalore is very progressive as a city. I'm like, this is amazing. So I'm like, sir, do you know what gay rights is? He's like, yes, I love it. It's amazing. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, what? What is happening, sir? Tell me more. He's like, I'll show you more. I'm like, no, let's not do that. Then he stops the rickshaw, okay? He says, come out. From the closet? He's like, from the rickshaw. I'm like, sorry. I come outside. He looks at me and says, you want gay rights? Go there, you will find some. Like, wow, this is amazing. I want free gay rights. Then I heard him again. You want ghee rice? मैंने क्या मांगा? गे राइट्स. मुझे क्या मिला? It's a metaphor for how they treat people like me in this country also, dude. हम मांगते equality, gay rights, they're like, ये लो घी और डालो अपनी गान में तुम लोग. And I tried that also. Ghee, better than Vaseline, dude. Yeah, घर पे मिलता है ना? माँ के हाथ का स्वाद down there, you know what I'm saying? Just like... सब घर पे ट्राई करने वाला अभी. शुद्ध देसी सेक्स, you know what I'm saying? But on a serious note, though, one thing that happened after 377 was every brand overnight ran to the rainbow filter. You saw that? Like Usha fans. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing, Usha fans? No one said anything to you. Calm down. You must have seen Uber, Ola. किसी का रास्ता रेनबो है, किसी का गाड़ी रेनबो है, किसी का ड्राइवर रेनबो है. Like, क्या हो क्या रहा है देश में, dude? Point is, okay, I don't know if you know about the history of the rainbow, but it was adopted by the gay people because we were bullied, we were tortured, we were killed. So you can't take the rainbow without the struggle, okay? It's a badge of honor and you have to fucking earn it, okay? So if you have... So tomorrow if you want to make an effort, okay? Uber, for example, make rainbow discount code, right? So anybody who's queer can now apply discount code and get a free ride. But then Uber will be like, what if everybody pretends to be gay? I'm like, then our world domination plan is complete. All right, so that's my time. Thank you so much for coming out tonight, you guys. Give it up for Akash Mehta.
गे लोग ना